Okay, we're in the garage here again. I've been fighting this misfiring problem on my 2022 Renegade 1000XMR here. I've been fighting this problem all summer. Just randomly, it would cut out to one cylinder. Thought it was a bad fuel issue for a while. I had put regular, some cheap, not good pump fuel in. Ran that through the system, put premium back in, and then it started to run good again. And then all of a sudden one day in the water, it would cut out to one cylinder, and then the engine would dry up, would run good again. So I figured, okay, it's a water issue, something's getting wet. Took everything apart, dielectric, greased everything, ran good again for a few trips, and then we went to the races in St. Jean. Second the quad hit the water, died. Now this last ride yesterday, fired the quad up, been sitting in the garage for a week, everything was dry, wouldn't even run. Runs on one cylinder once you can, get it to warm up. Then you have to stay on the throttle and keep it running. At idle, it would almost want to die. So I'll show you here now, I can get it to run. There, it kicked in. There, cut out. Oh, there. And it just stinks like fuel. It can't. Yesterday it couldn't accelerate. We were on the trail and I had to just limp it back, get it loaded up. So I'm going to show you how I figured this out the best way. So I'm in my garage. Got too many projects going on again. Turn all the lights off. Start this up. Okay, I already kind of figured out where the issue is, but I just want to get you a better shot here. So I took all the side covers off here, and then what you're going to watch for is at the front here. How do I turn my camera on, or the light on? That right there is your spark plug and your spark plug boot. Right there, it's kind of hard to tell. You want to watch that. That's the front cylinder. Or if you come to this side, this is your back cylinder, your boot and your spark plug. And if you want to see which one's missing, so now we'll do this again. Lights off, fire it up. There you have it. Very common on these Can-Ams. For whatever reason, the spark plug, the boots, from the mud, the moisture, the whatever, they start to let go, and it's arcing through the boot to the engine block and causing that front cylinder to miss. If in the dark you couldn't find you can't see it arcing anywheres, another tip is take a water bottle and just start spraying. Spray the wires, spray the plug, spray the engine down with a garden hose. All of a sudden when it's wet, if you've got an issue when it's wet, that's how I started noticing my quad is cutting out. Wet the engine down, all of a sudden you'll see it start to arc somewheres. Spray over the whole engine in the dark. Hopefully that helps you find your misfire. Stay tuned for some more Can-Am tech tips. Okay, got that front cable out. So somewhere's in here, or maybe it's hard to see now, but you see in the video, somewhere's here, it was arcing through. So you can go to BRP, buy this whole thing, or you could cut it here, put a new boot on, just grease it, tape it up, make sure it's sealed, which is what I think I'm going to end up doing because I want to go skeg riding tomorrow and it's Thanksgiving weekend, nothing's open. So I'm going to phone around, see if I can get this. If not, I'm just going to fix it up the best I can. Hopefully that helped you solve some of your problems. Hey, you know what? It works. It's running on both cylinders again. We'll see how it holds up today. I just got to tie up that wire, put everything back together. Let's go find some mud.